up guys, this is Skyforce95 here with a really useful product if you have either seasonal allergies like I do and have irritation in the eyes, or you tend to have problems with contacts and stuff like that. This is a really nice eye drop product. This is called Clear Eyes, and I bought this off Amazon in a 3-pack set, so it was about maybe $9, so total is about $3 each for a half floor ounce or a 15 milliliter size, this tiny little droplet bottle. So I think it was a pretty good deal considering the size and also the price. I think going to my local pharmacy, if I were to buy the same amount, it would be pretty much double the price, around like $20. So this is definitely a good value to just buy it off Amazon, so you don't need any kind of prescription to buy this. So what it's advertising for is to help relieve any of that dryness, burning, irritations, especially for me, it's all that itchiness that I always tend to rub my eyes when I get my seasonal allergies, so this has been really handy. I'm one of those people who really hate taking medicine, so since this is something that I don't really have to ingest, I just apply it at the spot, I'm a little bit less wary of, so I do like that part. And the expiration dates, which is definitely a very important thing, is listed right here on the bottom of the box, or if you throw away the box, it's right here on the bottle here. So I bought this maybe about a month ago, so this lasts for maybe about 3 years since purchase, so that's pretty good. It's a pretty good amount in here because the directions is to apply 1 to 2 drops per eye, maybe up to 4 times a day, as much as you need it to be. If your eyes, lubricate itself really easily, then maybe you have to apply more, but otherwise, I usually just use it once in the daytime, once right before I go to bed, so it has up to 12 hours of, I guess, protection. So for my cases, I think that's pretty accurate. So of course it'll vary per your own eye. And it's also pretty tamper resistant. So when you first get it, you have a little plastic rim right here, so you know that if it has been tampered with and all that. And then to open it, it's one that push down method, so kids won't, accidentally drink this by the mouthful. And you can see it's just a small little tip with a small opening, so you just apply it right to the edge of your eye, and I just kind of blink a little bit because I don't like to open my eyes and drop it directly. So there's definitely multiple methods to doing this, and then just of course replace the cap once you're done using it so it doesn't get contaminated, since your eyes, you definitely don't want to have foreign objects going into your eyes in that case. So if you guys are interested in just like the active ingredients and all that, so it's glycerin and also naphthalene hydrochloride right there. Of course, I wouldn't recommend, if you're one of those people who tend to be very sensitive to certain stuff, I would obviously spot test this before actually going straight out into your eyes, So yeah, I think this has been a really handy product. Usually what I do is I keep the small little bottle in my purse or a baggie or something like that I can keep on my person at all times, just in case I need it if I start breaking out or something like that. So that's just a quick review on this product. Highly recommend it if, again, you have allergies or you just need some more lubrication for your contacts. This is a really nice product at a great price. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.